I'm Ramesha Firdos, and now I'm going to discuss about hyperlinks in HTML. So, whenever we go to a website, we see some links which, when we click on them, we go to other website. So, these links in HTML are known as hyperlinks. So, when you move a mouse on the link, the mouse will turn into a little hand. We need to keep in mind that a link may not only be a text, but it can be an image, a button, or anything else. So, syntax. Uh, HTML links are described with the help of a tag known as anchor tag, which is defined by a symbol. For example, we can see a href is equals to URL. Here, href is the main part of the text, which consists of the link's destination. Link text is the text which will be visible to the users. So we need to close the text anchor tag. So we use a slash backslash and a example. So this example will take us to the website VVIT Guntur. I have already discussed the most important attribute of an anchor tag is href, which indicates the link's destination. The link's text is the path that will be visible to the reader. Clicking on the link text will send the reader to the specified URL address. Now let us see what the target discuss about the target attribute, which is one of the main concept in hyperlinks. So by default, when a link is opened, it will be displayed in the current browser window. To change this action, we specify another attribute known as target attribute. So using this target attribute, we specify where to open the linked document. There are four attributes in in target. They are self, blank, parent, and top. By choosing self, which is a default, the link we choose will be opened in the same window or tab as it was clicked. Whereas in blank, the website will be opened in a new document, in a new window or a new tab. Parent, the window will be opened in a parent frame. Top, it will be opened in a full body of the window. So this is an example where we use the target as a blank. That means the web URL will be opened in a new tab. Now let us discuss about absolute and relative URLs. Absolute URL is the URL in which all the details related to the URL will be given. Whereas relative URLs are the URLs which do not contain the HTTPS colon slash slash www part. That means your relative URL is a local URL, local link, and absolute URL is the full address of the website. So in this example, first URL is a absolute URL, whereas second one is a relative URL. Is that a hyperlink may not only be an text, but it can also be an image or a button or anything else. So in this example, we are going to see how we use an image as a link for HTML. To do this, we use the image tag, img tag inside the anchor tag. So in this example, uh, in the href, we have given YouTube URL, which has the image source as the source of the image and the style. So this example will give us the output as a button, as an image which contains the YouTube logo, and if we click on that, we'll go to the YouTube website. Now let us see how we use a link to an email address. So by using mail to colon inside href attribute, we can open the user's email program directly without going to any other options. So by using this example, uh, uh, The href consists of the URL, which is a mail to and the mail of the some email address. So clicking on the mail will go to email. It will be sending an email to the mail specified in the URL. Now let us see how to set a button as a link. For this, we need to learn some JavaScript code, which will be discussed later in our classes. So now let us just see how what the code will be written. The title, the style is all a CSS code, which will be discussed later. Um, in the body, I have given a paragraph which consists of a link styled as a button, and the href, which is a vvitguntur.com URL. So clicking on this is a button link. That will be a button. So clicking on it will take us to the VVIT Guntur website.